Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Instagram, you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. This one, click on it. And after this, in here, you just click on edit profile. And in here you can click on the change profile photo. In here you can click on a new profile photo or import from a Facebook or remove profile photo. But in here I wanna change the photo to a new profile photo, so you can click on the new profile photo. And after this, in here you can add the photo that you wanted to change. Maybe I wanna change to this one. Click on it, and after this, in here you just click on this icon at the top right. And now you can click this one again. Click on it and click check icon in here. Click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to change profile photo on Instagram. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.